Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I am so glad you're here. Thank you so much for selecting this video and giving me some of your time while you watch this video. I truly appreciate that. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe and welcome. And for those that already subscribed, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Today I'm doing a biz video for CVS starting October 27, and this video includes this spreadsheet. I love making my own list that is already it's easy for me to just print and take with me. I'm thinking of doing a video showing you how I get ready with the for the CVS, let's say for a CVS deal. If you guys are interested to see how I get ready, couponing and including the list, just let me know in the comment section. This list is pretty long. It includes 19 deal ideas, and this is going to be free for you to print. It's going to be, the link is going to be provided in the description box. It's going to take you to my website where you're able to print it. This list includes items that are some of my freebies, a little Moneymaker, and most of the items I believe are $1 and less. So we have a pretty good ad starting October 27 at CVS. So let's get started. On the first deal idea is already a free item, but I want to let you know what you see underneath free. It says savings start by 50 selected items, get 15. This is an item that you could actually activate on Savings Star. Savings Star is a cash back app. If you're new to Savings Star, I'm going to provide the link for you to get started and not miss out on this, because this doesn't expire till I believe December or November. So you have a lot of time to take advantage of this. So activate it. And the crest, it is included, but I know it says selected. Once you click it, it lets you know all the companies or the brands that are included. So you could do a little bit this haul, the next haul, and you might reach 50 a lot quicker than you think, and you will get back $15. So crest is going to be buy two get 3 ECB. The prices I've seen, of course, it will range by store, but I've seen it around $3.69. So buy 2 of those. We're expecting some great inserts this Sunday. P&G is one of them, and cut 2 coupons of $2 off one. Go to the CVS app. There is a app only coupon for Crest toothpaste, and it does apply. So select that product, select that offer, pay $2.88, get back 3, making it free, and Moneymaker. And 12 cents Moneymaker. But like I said, I didn't put Moneymaker on the top because it depends on the price that you find it in your store. So just make sure you activate that app only from CVS. Also another Savings Star deal. This one is for Maybelline. I did this deal. I did the single eyeshadow. This haul, you could watch that video for my haul for CVS. And a few days later, Savings Star gave me a cash back for the shadows. So it will be included. So just make sure that you do activate those offers in Savings Star. So buy 2, get 5 is a deal idea for Maybelline. Buy a single eyeshadow for $4.19. Buy a foundation for $8.59. Your total will be $12.78. There is coupons that came last Sunday in the Retail Me Not, deducting $1 for the eyeshadow. You could use a $2 for the foundation. Use the CRT that is printing this week. If you still have it available, use that CRT. Maybe you have a CRT for cosmetics. That will bring down the total a lot more. So you will pay $7.78 with the coupons I mentioned. Get back 5, but submit your receipt to Savings Star, $1 for the eyeshadow and $2 for the foundation, making it free, and 22 cents Moneymaker. Great deal, but activate those offers and make sure you add that card to your Savings Star account. That's how it works for the CVS offers. Also, I want to share with you that if you want to see, I've also been doing a video in store. I go and take my list and I share those items in store, show you how it looks like. If you want to see more of that, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss on that video. This is another offer for Savings Star. This one is also included. This is the deals buy 20 get 5. And this one, as you can see, herbal essence is one of those items that is buy 1 get 1 40% off. So if you buy 2 herbal essence, let's say it's priced at $7.59 in your store, the other one will be $4.55. And then you could buy 2 Tampons, 2 for $8. Right there you reach the $20. Use you're gonna use 3 coupons from the P&G, and those 3 coupons are 2 for the Tampax and 1 for Herbal Essence. That's gonna deduct 3 off 2. So you will need that P&G insert. What CRTs you're going to use? If you have these, this will be a great deal. You could use the CRT for 2 off 2 for Tampax, pads, and you could use a CRT for hair care, deducting 3 off 12. So you could use those CRTs. So now you have 2 coupons manufactured from P&G, and no, actually 3 coupons manufactured, 2 CRTs. Once you use all those coupons, you will pay $10.14 in the register, but you get back a 5 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it $5.14 or $1.29 for everything, since you're buying 4 items. But those CRTs surely will help, and make sure you activate, because most of these items do qualify for that Saving Star cashback offer. Remember, these deals that you see in yellow and the one I just mentioned, these are a limit of 1 per household. So I'm just giving you different deal ideas depending which one you want to take advantage for the P&G deals. This is another idea. This one is buy 20, get 5. And what you could do is buy 2 up the Pampers. Look for the ones that are included, like Jumbo Pack, Easy Ups, training underwear. So buy 2 for $20, and there's going to be coupons in the P&G deducting $1.50 off 1. So use 2 of those, and make sure you look for a CRT that we get for baby items, deducting 3 off 12. You have that CRT, it will be bigger savings. You will pay $14, get back 5, making it $9 or $4.50 each. But this item does qualify for Saving Star. One thing I want to let you know, just make sure you look at the P&G coupon, because it does specify for specific Pampers, like Easy Ups is one of those. So this is a great deal, especially if you have that CRT. And like I mentioned, these are the P&G deals. So you just mix and match and see which one works best for you. I'm just giving you different deal ideas. And this is another idea that I'm sharing. This one is Pantene. In this ad, it says see shelf. But if you looked at my video for the ad preview, it was a different ad. And that one, it says 3 for $12. Which is the normal price that we have seen. So in this case, buy 6 Pantene. The right price will be $24. Use 2 coupons from the P&G, deducting $5 off 3. And use that CRT that we sometimes get for hair care, deducting 4 off 18. You will pay 10, but you'll get back 5, making it 5 or 83 cents each. And it also qualifies for that Saving Star deal. So as you can see, you can start adding up some receipts and getting quicker to those savings for that Saving Star cashback. Tresemme, this is going to be on special. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. Buy 3 and get 5. It's a limit of 1. This is for Tresemme shampoo, conditioner, 22 ounce or 28 ounce. Guys, I'm going to tell you now what I see the ounce. I remember I used to buy this in Sam's. I used to buy this big pack, and I think it was like $12 or $13 just for one bottle. It's crazy. You could get it for $1.74, or sometimes we have gotten it for a lot less. So this is why I love couponing, and it just reminded me once I saw the bottle and the ounces. But let's get back to the deal. The deal is buy 3. So let's say you find it at $5.29 in your store. The other one will be $2.65. So you need to buy 3. Use the CRT that I've been mentioning in other deal ideas for 3 off 12 for shampoo items or hair care items. If you use that CRT. I also saw similar CRTs that will say Tresemme for $2.50 or $3. You could use that CRT in case, or instead pay $10.23, get $10.23, get back 5, making it $1.74 each, which is a pretty good deal. Just stack up using those CRTs. So let's move on. This one is a different deal idea. This is a different offer. This is not the same Pantene P&G deal. This one is buy 3, get 4, and this one is a limit of 1. But look at the size of that bottle. Pantene shampoo conditioner is 17.7 or 20.1 ounce. This also includes some selected stylers or treatments. So the best scenario to do is buy 3 for $15 and use 1 coupon from the P&G, deducting 5 off 3, and use that CRT as you see in the picture. Pay 7, get 4, and it will be $1 each. But I believe if you combine this deal with the other P&G deal that is buy 20, get 5, this will get you closer for that Saving Star cash back. So that way you're reaching those $50 a lot quicker if you combine this deal with the P&G deal. So let's move on now to the next deal. Here is another freebie, guys. I'm excited to share this deal with you guys. This is Revlon. I have purchased a few of these lipsticks and I haven't tried any of them. Let me know what you guys think of these lipsticks. They're pretty cute. I did get one years ago, but it was a different one. It was matte. It was red. So I'm excited to see what you guys think. This is Revlon. Any $10 that you buy for Revlon, you will get 4 ECB. And we're going to be getting a mystery offer. We don't know what that mystery offer. That mystery offer could be $2 or it could be $5 that we see in the pictures. But I'm going to give you a deal idea if it is 2, just to play it safe. So let's buy 2 of the lipsticks at $9.99. Use that BOGO coupon deducting $9.99. And that mystery coupon, it may be $2. So you will pay $7.99. You will get back $8, making it free. But if that mystery coupon is a lot higher, then this will be free and a moneymaker. This is if you want to buy the lipstick or if you want to use the buy one, get one free coupon deal idea, which includes lip or eye. But if you want to buy a face item because you want to use that coupon, then I'm going to show you another deal idea. And this one will come out to moneymaker. So you will buy the concealer. As you can see, the price is $9.99. And you will just use one coupon. The coupon is deducting 5. And then use that mystery coupon. Let's say it's $2. Now you will pay $2.99. You will get back 4, making it free. And $1.01 moneymaker. I'm excited for this product, for this deal idea. To be honest, I have used this concealer. I'm not a fan of some concealers from the drugstore, but this one is pretty good. So it is a good product to try, and getting it free and moneymaker it's a win. It's a win-win actually. So let's move on to the next deal. There was a coupon available for this deducting 3. I did put print or app, and last night when I was checking, I did not see it available. If it does come available, I will provide it in the description box. But check your app, your CVS app, and click it if you want to do this deal idea. This one is buy any for $15, get 5 ECB. This also includes Theraflu and Abreva. The ones that I saw that was around that price, it was a $19.99. This is the value pack. This one brings 44 strips. Use that coupon deducting 3. You will pay $16.99, but you get back 5, making it $11.99. I know it seems pretty high, but this is a product that we sometimes buy for regular price. So that's a pretty good deal. Another great deal we don't have any coupons for, at least I did not see any coupons, but there is a cashback offer from Saving Star. So make sure you activate it so you get this cash back for $1 off 2. So buy any 2 and get 1 ECB is the deal, and it includes drops of 21 to 30 count. So buy 2 for $4. That's how much you will pay in the register, but you get back $1. Then submit your receipt to Saving Star. Will actually just activate it. Make sure your account is linked to CVS, and it automatically should deduct the $1 during the week, and your total will be $2 or $1 each, which is a pretty good deal. If you coupon at Publix, these were free. So just letting you guys know in case. But this one is going to be free. This one is buy any 2, get 3 ECB. This is a limit of 1. And this deal is buy 1, get 1 50% off. I seen it, as you can see, the price in my store for $2.49. And the other one's going to be half off, which is going to be $1.25. So buy 2. There is a coupon we should be getting this Sunday in the Smart Stores, deducting 75 cents off 2. It's going to be for the Luden's regular or this item, but there's also going to be another coupon, which I'm going to show you another deal idea for that other coupon. So using this coupon, pay $2.99, get back 3, making it free. This is a freebie, and this is an item that we normally stock up on, and because we need it for the winter, and we love to be able to give them out free. So this is a pretty good deal. I hope you guys are excited already for this ad. So many great deals already. Some coupons we're getting this Sunday, and this is the other coupon I was mentioning. There's also going to be a coupon we should be getting for 75 cents off 1, but it has to be the melatonin soothers. So this one is a different price. It's $3.49. use the other one should be 175. Use 2 of those coupons that we're going to be getting this Sunday, and you will pay $3.74. You get back 3, making it 37 cents each back, which is crazy that it brings 30 drops. So you will get it for 37 cents. But also keep in mind, this is if this is the price in your store, and if you find these in your stores. Also be on the lookout for this Sunday's paper. So far we're getting 3 books, and just using those books will help you save even more. So if you're new to couponing, get this Sunday's paper. There's going to be 3 books expected. The next deal idea is Rimmel. Any 2 Rimmel. It could be any 2 get 5, but sadly the coupon that we do have from Smart Source 922 only applies to eye products. So what you could do is buy eye products that are $4.99, maybe a little less if you go find them in your store. In this case, I've seen the eyeliner and also see the eye primer for $4.99. That will be $9.98. Use 2 of those coupons, deducting 2. You pay $5.98, get back 5, making it 49 cents each. But sometimes we get Rimmel CRTs. If you do, then it will be a nice money maker. But so far, just using that coupon and combine it with the deal expected this Sunday, it come out to 49 cents. And 49 cents for an eye primer, that's a pretty good deal. Or maybe an eyeliner. But keep in mind, the coupon applies for eye products. That's why I'm giving you a deal idea just for eye products. Moving on to the next deal, I did mention this deal in the CVS ad preview. I'm excited for this. This is Yes 2. It includes facial and acne care. I did receive a CRT last week, deducting 5 off 10. I think that CRT was great, but I did not get it this week. So be on the lookout in case you get any CRTs. But this will be a great deal on its own. You don't need any coupons. You do need to buy 10 and get 7. This is for selected Yes 2 products. If you buy 3 of the mask at $3.59, it will be $10.77. That's how much you will pay in the register if you don't have any other CRTs. You get back 7, making it $1.26 each mask. Selected Jergens Moisturizer, buy 12, get 4 is the deal. If these 2 are included, here's the deal idea. Because the coupon is a limit of 1, that's what I'm doing, 1 of each. Buy 1 of the Ultra Healing. This is the moisturizer lotion for $4.99. The Wet Skin, which is the blue bottle, is $8.59. At least that's the price I've seen it. Use a coupon for the Wet Skin, deducting $2.50, and for the moisturizer, deducting $1.50. If you have a CRT for lotion, deducting 3 of 10. That will make it even sweeter because you will pay $6.58, get 4, making it $1.29 each. Another body wash deal idea. This one is Olay. You're not getting any ECBs, but I wanted to include it if you have this CRT because it's going to be on special. I've seen this sometimes in the store for $8.99. So it's going to be on special 2 for $11. Use 2 coupons from the P&G, deducting $1 each. And use that CRT that you see in the picture if you have it for body wash. And you will pay 7, making it $3.50 each. So I wanted to share it with you, but just be on the lookout in case you get any other CRT for body wash or any Olay CRT. So we did it. This is the end of the video. As you can see, it's 19 deal ideas. I'm excited for this ad, and don't forget to print your list. It's going to be provided in the description box, and if there's any new coupons that come up, I'm going to provide it also in that box. Thank you so much for watching and for your time, and until the next video. Bye.